Hey guys, this is Tripped Over, but today you can call me Andrew Carnegie. Now today we're going to be back to Deadbolt. Resume the wonderful magic of slaying zombies. Now this episode, not too much happened. We just, sat down by the flame and it told us what to do. The flames roar to life, and I see visions inside. Mission: the fireplace beams the cat to speak. Fresh caskets breathe. Burn the ash, scatter their teeth. Intel. I see two entrances to the house. Left entrance has less zombies, but the right entrance has more weapons. My choice. New gun. I see visions of Chura, the ferryman. I may be interested in the souls I've collected for our mutual employer. I should see him at the dock before my next mission. Mission unlocked. Docks. Chura looks at the docks. I can exchange shores for weapons for ammunition. Pretty much, just talk to that flame guy. He tells us what to do. The last mission we finished, last video, with nosy neighbor, new high, now smoke signals. Let's keep the attention of their leader. Burn all their drugs. Sounds pretty good to me. And what I can understand from pretty much the story of the game is that there's like these undead guys. They're like death, and you gotta put them back to dead. So the big monster guys were pretty not too easy to kill. These guys, bam, instant death. Pick up the one of these suckers, and burn the drugs. Hopped. Turn lights off. All the cool stuff. And drop. And fire. What be this? Cassette tape. Cool beans. Let's go up there. Come at me, bro. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Come at me, bro. You come. Whoa, almost died. Not really. What's up? And also knocking on doors, I mean. Ooh, no. Oh, I didn't burn these drugs either. Burn them. Let's go pick up a... Oh, I had a lot of ammo on this one. Oh. Got it, you bitch. Set these drugs up on fire. Come on, bro. Oh Jesus, now it's one of these big guys. Look at this. Come back up, I know it. Bro. Gotcha, bitch. I mean, it's pretty fun. Unless that happens. I'll be like standing around hiding. So let's go this way. Bam. Oh, Jesus Christ. Not ashamed of doing that. Red bench. I'm pretty sure. Look at that. Down we go. Ooh, more drugs. Like these. Man, these drugs are like flammable as heck. Knock on the door. Bam. And we did it. Stage clear. Return the air car. Not too shabby at all. In. So onward we go. Smoke signals. Diamonds, okay. Kills pretty good. Accuracy not bad. 3 stars. Oh well. Tensile this game, not bad at all. Oh, then there's this cool guy. I don't know who he is. Listen to cassettes. Nah, I'm good. Nah. Let's go talk to our good old buddy, the Flame. Let's see. The flames roar to life, and you see visions of man, Puff, fishing. No moment to flee, you should not be here. A man with a heart cannot live with me. Mission unlocked. Intel. The candles tell me that Puff keeps an old machine gun in his basement. Something he stole from the Tridads. I'm sure it still works. Puff. Shadows cast off the wall, and the flames show me silhouettes of Puff's death. This is the first time my employer has given me a specific target, and I succumb to the thrill. Mission unlocked. So now we gotta go kill Mr. Puff Diddy. So, kinda curious. Okay, Puff, a low-level dealer, Puff. Might know about their supplier, Kill. Kinda curious how long this game is. Ooh. Robert, pick up. Dang, I got them dank beats playing though. Bitch. Bitch. Oh, Jesus Christ. Freaking scared me. Oh no. Fuck. Damn it. Fuck. Wreck, bitch. Fuck. Fuck. Damn it. Got me. Okay. Let's try more subtlety. No. Yep, I'm dead. Meh. No. Oh, drugs everywhere. Oh god. Damn it. Okay, we got this, guys. 100%. Bam. Power off. Okay, let's wait. Bam. Damn, guy. Okay, we're gonna sneak up on this mother effer. Remember, bro. Get wrecked, bench. Get power off. Okay, pick that up. And damn, no! Jesus Christ, that was so fucking tall. Close. Okay. Jesus. Ooh. Okay, unlocked. No, Puff. Okay, ready? Swag time. Fuck. There we go. 2 killed immediately. Damn it. No. Damn it. Fuck. Okay, we can do this, guys. It's taken me quite a bit of time, but I believe now that I can do this. Okay, go down. Pick up the submachine gun. Okay. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm nervous. Power off. Come on. Oh my god. Hey, hopefully these guys get lured in by my siren song. And they did. Okay, hopefully that guy gets lured in too. Mr. Puff Diddy over there. Okay. Okay. Whew. There we go. Take that, bench. Jesus Christ, it took quite some time. Okay, let's check the drawers. Oh wait, no. Check drawers. The desk has a filing cabinet. Maybe there's useful information here. Open files. Open files. I pull open the filing cabinet. There are two separate tabs. Stuff. The tab is full of loose papers. Paper. Basic financing. Puff must have been designated as the accountant of the game. Useless. Paper. A letter outlining Puff's frustration to the game. Useless. Paper. A poorly drawn picture of a naked vampire. Useless. Well, I don't know if it'd be too useless. To Puff, it probably had a lot of value. Paper. Labeled important people. Their addresses scribbled across the top. 5314 21st Street and 101 6th Street under. Must be the address of Zombie King's house. Useful. Check to complete. Paper. Indistinguishable scribbles. Useless. More stuff. You pull open the drawer. Inside is a pamphlet and embossed coin. Not bad. So we came up pretty good. It took a while to kill that guy, but you know what? You can't have them all. So let's go onto the car. Puff. Time wasn't too bad. Actually, I died a lot. Jesus. But you know what? We got through. Let me think. You know, let me go check out the docks real fast. Actually, you know, no. Sit and talk. The flames rule the life, with more vigor than usual. My employer is happy with success. Mission. Hellhounds from beneath, bred by the undead. Go stop and weep, and gnashing of teeth. And tell, hellhounds are three-headed dogs with an amazing sense of hearing. But they can't open doors. I'll use that to my advantage. Dang, pretty neato. So let me take a peek at the missions right now. So we have follow the hounds. But you know what? I am going to call it there. After I go buy some weapons from the dock. See if anything's changed there. What if I could kill him? Kinda wanna try? Nah. He'll probably destroy me instantly. Death and taxes, Scythe. I want that one. That's my life goal right there. But what should I have? Revenant, allowed, full-size bullets. Suppressed, ooh. You know what? No, I'm good on weapons right now. But you know what? I'm going to sit down, relax, and I think that'll be it for today. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Good night.